HVAC training classes from LANY College. So if you attend LANY College, you will be going through one of the other books from building automation. Part of building automation, the computers and the logic series that's followed inside these things, Arduinos and Raspberry Pis follow kind of that same protocol. You could make automated systems using simple little Arduinos and Raspberry Pis. So when you take the buildings automation class, you will literally be building a thermostat using, say, like our Arduino, and you'll be writing and copying simple code. You'll use temperature sensors with relays, humidity sensors with relays, light sensors, or motion sensors for, like if people come into the room, it could turn your heater on or your air conditioning on. So you'll literally could build a thermostat, and you could build a screen thermostat that's color screen, touch screen, programmable. Everything you see a Honeywell or a Nest or a Google Stat or a Ecobee do, you can build that yourself. You don't have to buy those. They're really simple to build and cheap. For a fraction of the price, you can build exactly what is sold in the big box stores. So when you go to LANY colleges, you will be taking the building automation course. You will be doing Raspberry Pi and Arduinos. You'll be taking, what was the other guy? The electronics. When you take the electronics class in LANY College, you'll be going over the same things. You'll be building like thermostats, motor controllers, anything you can think of in air conditioning, you can build it yourself. And it's simple, child's level stuff, very simple. Nothing's really, everybody thinks they think computers and electronics, and it's complicated. Very, very simple. I also took an extra class that wasn't required in HVAC. I took PLCs. I'll show those books another night. The PLC classes, like automation for Coca-Cola bottling, grabbing the bottle, the machine grabs the bottle, or Tesla grabbing the car parts and putting them together and welding them. That is PLCs. If you take a PLC class, you'll learn how to select the equipment and do PLCs. That was another class I took. That was not a mandated part of HVAC. That's higher level engineering for doing, PLCs for robotics. So this is just a little sample. I'll show you the ISB numbers just in case you're curious of how to order them. These are a lot of fun. Let's see, where's the ISB? This was a kit. This one came out of a kit with a bunch of equipment. You don't buy this by itself. This was a whole kit that came with equipment. Here's the ISB on that one. So these are what you would use. And I got that one used, so I saved money on that one. I don't see the original ISB on it. But I would highly recommend taking a PLC class as extra, taking the Raspberry Pi and Arduino, and it'll make your job so much easier, especially if you go into controls for commercial refrigeration. All right, guys, I'll see you. That's all. It's a short one. Really fun projects. Anything you have in your house you want to build or fix or modify, you could do it with this at a fraction of what you have to buy it for retail.